listen, I had a subscriber like comment under the brand ambassador video that I did about a year or so ago and was like, so do the products work or no? They didn't say it like that. I'll put the comment up here if I can find. I'm gonna go find it. No, I'm going to go find it and look for it. It was like, sis, like, you never told us. Let me tell y'all what happened. I put most of my Kinky Tresses content on Instagram. That's how excited and like I was about getting the word out. Like, I was just like, let me just go ahead and upload a Instagram video.
Nah, I don't believe it.
So I was so excited about these products, right? Super excited. One, I was excited because I was a brand ambassador for a company that allowed me to be a brand ambassador, and I had never tried her products. And I was like, are you serious? Like, are you gonna do this for real? Like, excited. Most of my content went to Instagram instantly because I was so excited about these products when I tried them. And I'm not saying that because I was a brand ambassador. I'm not. I was a brand ambassador for Allocate Naturals, but I had used those products for so long. I was like, I'm going to be like a brand ambassador for them because I love these products that much that I'll tell everybody like, you can trust this, okay? So I had never tried Kinky Tresses. I didn't know what to expect. But when the products arrived, I was super excited. There was like a few shipping delays, and she apologized for that because it took us a while to get our products. But when she sent them, she sent her whole entire collection. She just didn't send 3 or 4 products. She sent everything that she makes, which is the shampoo, the deep conditioner, the moisturizing milk, the hair oil, and I'm getting another phone call. Baby, listen. I don't know how many times I say listen. Kinky Tresses is the bomb.com. I don't even know if that's a website. But listen. That shampoo, it was like, I used all the deep conditioner. Let me tell you, after my brand ambassadorship was up, I bought products from them because I was like, there's no way I'm not spending my money on these products. The shampoo, I hope I can pull up my old videos. Look, the shampoo is almost gone. It smells really good. It smells really, really good. But the shampoo is so thick. I was like, how am I gonna get this shampoo out the bottle? And it cleansed the hair. It cleaned the hair without stripping it. It kind of threw me off because it said it was avocado infused, but it doesn't smell like that. It has like a really good, it has a very good fragrance to it, kind of perfumey, but not overpowering where it's like, sis, no, it was really good. It was, oh God, it just, the lather, it was the lather for me. The lather just, oh my God, like moisturizing, everything. It was everything, and I still use these products. I still order from them. Listen, it's amazing. The deep conditioner is my favorite. Like, if she out of stock on everything else, which rarely ever happens, but if she just happened to go out of stock on everything else and she still had that deep conditioner, it is amazing. Restorative deep conditioner. It's good if you have high porosity color treated hair. Now, if your cuticles were busted wide open like mine was, because I couldn't stay away from the color, that was really good. It was really good, especially when it came to like, I like to wear my hair in like a twist outs and braid outs and stuff like that. I didn't have to worry about the moisture escaping my hair, like using the whole line. It literally locked and kept that moisture in. I wasn't a fan of the oil too much. I just felt like it was regular oil. Just had like a really good smell to it. But I like it. But it wasn't like, oh, I gotta have this oil. But the hair milk and the hair butter, like, I had to rethink the whole lock method after this line, because it literally moisturized my hair, and my hair was very hydrated. Listen, how many times I gotta tell y'all to listen? It was good. I enjoyed this brand ambassadorship. I enjoyed the brand. I still got my little t-shirt. Like, I enjoyed these products so much that I'm telling you, I put my own money into that. Listen, if you have dry hair, if you have that 4C, because it's not a type, it's a curl pattern, it's a pattern. But if you have like that kinky hair, that 4C, I hate hair typing, y'all. Type hair, get you some Kinky Tresses. Get the wash day bundle and start there and use it consistently. Because one thing with products is that if we don't consistently use them, like sometimes I'll use a product and if it don't work the first time, I give it at least 3 tries, because you got to take into account for environment, diet, stress, hair type, porosity, density, all that stuff you have to take into account before you go out here just trying products because your favorite person said it works. This product worked at least 3 times before, so yes or no for you. After the first 2 times, I was like, she's a winner. This is something that I would spend my money on. So I hope that answered your question. Wonderful products, wonderful brand ambassadorship, wonderful owner. She was so nice to us. I've never been in a brand ambassadorship program where the owner and the CEO of the company takes the time out of their day to talk to the brand ambassadors. When she did that, I was like, oh my God, Shauna, you really talking to us right now? Like, you don't have to do this. Like, she gave us like content suggestions. Like, for real? Like, you really out here doing this? Like, you really out here, like, Shauna, for real? Shauna, if you watching, girl, I love you. You don't even know that. Like, for real, like, you are so inspiring. I love you, girl, lady, woman. I love you, Shauna, like, for real. Like, I got some questions for you. But for real, like, I really do, like, I really appreciate her for that, because, you know, a lot of times we get into brand ambassadorships because some of them pay and some of them give free product. But at the end of the day, I feel like valuable information that you can give me, that she didn't even have to do that. It was free. She didn't say, oh yeah, I'm gonna charge y'all for these content classes or whatever. She just showed us things that simple things that we can do to grow. Some things that you can do to add to people's life, like value that you can add to their life, and you do that without asking for anything in return, is amazing. Because she didn't say, oh y'all, this gonna require y'all to do an extra post on Facebook. And anytime we ran out of products, it wasn't like, oh, I'm gonna send you products once a month. It was like, no, when you run out of shampoo, let me know you need more shampoo and I send it to you. And I'm like, girl, for real? You gonna send me some more shampoo just like that? I kept running out of leave-in conditioner because I was using it for me and my daughter and my son. So I was like, hey, I need some more leave-in. Like, send me some more. They sent it. I was like, girl, did you just send me like more products because I asked? But that was only in the brand ambassadorship program. So I don't know when she's gonna open that back up again. Listen, I'm making my own product, and I would be a brand ambassador for her again, just because those products are that amazing. And I have not tapped into making shampoo yet. With working on my shampoo, I've been working on it for about a year now, just trying to make sure it's like right. You know what I'm saying? So I hope that answered your question, and I hope you're still subscribed to me, because I took a long time to answer that question. Forgive me. I have been in beauty school and all this stuff with COVID. It's just like, you know. And I know this was before COVID, but still, thank you for being patient with me and waiting on this answer. I hope you're watching, my dear subscriber here. But I'm going to end this video here. I love you guys. You keep your joy. You keep your peace. You don't let anybody take that from you. You stay rooted and grounded in love, and you stay faithful to your natural. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.